Hi, my name is Cheryl. I'm from Morris County, New Jersey, and I just had the most incredible experience here at the center. I came in, a lot of things happening in life right now. My energy was just okay, but I came expecting that something wonderful was going to happen, and I have to say, it surpassed everything that I thought it was going to be. My energy is great, my sinuses are cleared, my ear has unplugged, I feel energized, I feel ready to go out and meet everything that this world is going to throw at me. This is better than any spa day that you could go anytime. It's better than a weekend at a spa. You need to come and you need to experience just the energy and the love and the wellness that you feel after you spend some time in the center. See you soon.